Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week I need to cut down the big Wediboard and prep it for my community mosaic project. And maybe I'll make a few more pieces of jewelry or do this pillbox since I have all of my beads and glass out over here. Outside and cutting it out here with the jigsaw was really the way to go. Each circle took me less than 10 minutes to cut out, so very easy. And look at this is the small one. It's starting to feel real here, people. I'm here at Sewell Cultural Center where I'm having a solo show called Mosaics in Bloom, and it's mostly florals and garden pieces, and I'm here to give you a peek of what's here. My work will be here through the month of July until July 29th, in fact. There is nothing like seeing these pieces in person, but I'd have to say when the sun is coming in the morning on this one, it is so sparkly. These three, in fact, super sparklers. next few days, chaos reigns as we get new floors inside of our house. Not sure what that hole is. And they have torn up the old floors. And so I'm escaping into my studio where I will be doing some organization of my smalti. Back last year, I bought a lot of Orsoni smalti from an artist who wasn't using it anymore. And then I proceeded to have it in boxes where I couldn't use it. And so I have tried out some different storage systems. I have these from Office Depot, and then I have this from the Container Store. And what I found is that most of the smalti that I purchased was in 1 pound increments, and that is just perfect for this size drawer. I did have some that was in bigger quantities, and each one of these drawers holds up to 2 pounds. So I'm going to be swapping some of this out. If it's a smaller amount, I'm going to be swapping it into a one of the drawers from that unit that holds 1 pound, and then putting my 2 pound units in here. These hold up to 4 pounds, which I didn't really have any that had that much. After I'm done transferring it and labeling all the drawers, I will sort the drawers by color. So it's going to finally organize all of my Orsoni smalti. Yay. So here is some of what I had taken out of the boxes. It's when I purchased it, I had to weigh it. And so it has the amount per bag on there, which makes it really handy. I've got my label maker so I can label it. Not all of the colors have labels on them. Like this one, for instance, I have no idea what number it is. I don't even know if those numbers are relevant to being able to reorder anything today. But since I'm not sure, I'm going to go ahead and label everything. And then if I ever need it, it'll be there. That's really nice about these drawers from the Container Store is that they have dividers that you can put anywhere along the side in this section. And so I have some extras that didn't quite fit in here, and I can divide them up because they don't take up a whole thing, and store them underneath. Well, my label maker ran out of tape, so I didn't get to finish making the labels on there, so I just wrote them on there. Some of them I taped on, and this is what I've got left. So I think I just need 2 more of these things. I've decided to start on a new smalti piece because my house is being torn up and I'm having a hard time concentrating on anything else. I don't really have access to my laptop, but I do have my iPad, and this is a photo of my backyard, and it's going to be the basic design for the next mosaic. I really want to push the color on my mosaic, so wherever you see it light, I'm going to push it a little bit lighter. I'm going to pop in some more hue there so it's more purpley, and then this will be a dark more purple bush, which is actually purple. And over here I'm going to beef up the flowers here, and I'm going to add some flowers down along the bottom, and then I'm going to have light coming in the back right there, which in this particular one there's no light coming right there, but my yard does sometimes get light in the back, and I really enjoy seeing that dark, light, dark, so it'll have a little bit of a stripe there. I have gotten a good start on it. I'm trying to lay the color in a very impressionistic way. Big blocks of color. So there's the trunk. There's the trunk. And I am using a thin set that I have colored a warm terracotta color to have that bit of color show through like it would maybe in an underpainting, that warm color. Anyway, next I'm going to be laying in this row of leaves that comes across the front of the trunk. So that is what is right here. Today I'm prepping my Wediboard substrates, and before I can wrap the edges and spread thin set and do all that business, I need to find out where my Wedi washers will go to put the screws in. We're going to screw into the brick wall. So I went and measured the brick and got the vertical distance between, you screw into the, I'm going to be screwing into the grout lines. So I got the vertical distance on center between the grout lines, measured it off on here, and that way I'll know where to put these. I have to do that to each of these, and then I'll be able to wrap and then set. I have had to mark the top on these so that I don't lose track of that using this method. But now I can just take the washers and pop them right over the holes. Push down. Well, I got these all taped, but I don't have time to put the thin set on today. I have to go somewhere tonight, so I'm going to go get ready for that. But I'll get after it next week and get those knocked out. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.